everyone. Hi everyone, my name is Titisha. I'm going to recite sloka. Ya kunde kukusharaha davala ya shupravasramita ya vinavaradana magnitakara ya smeta parmasana samam pato saraswati bhagavati nishesha divyapaha nishesha divyapaha. Thank you. Hi everyone. I am Ichasri. I'll play slokam. The one who is white like the moon, who is Sarada and beautiful like Kandavina, the one who discourages and ignorance and laziness. O God, Saraswati,